this is my Amazon Fire Max, and I wanted to use it with a keyboard and mouse that's attached to a USB. And so I got one of these USB-C adapters to USB-A, and I have it hooked to a USB hub so I can use both a mouse as well as a keyboard. And so when I plug this up to the USB hookup, sorry. Once I plug it in, at the very top, it'll mention something about keyboard if you scroll down the status, but it should be plug and play. So when I say plug and play is, you should be able to use the keyboard once you plug it in. You might have issues with either the USB adapter, the OTG adapter, or you might have issues with the, what's it called, USB hub. So I'm using a Belkin 4. This is really generic. This is even just a USB 2.0. But you can see there's a mouse cursor that magically appears once it's plugged in. And you can see the lights on. And then on the keyboard side, let me go type something under notes. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Type something on the notes. Now I can type ASDF, which it didn't type. ASDF, you can see ASDF, and it's typing. So, long story short, Fire Max appears to easily let you use a USB keyboard and mouse. I'm assuming because I can use this OTG adapter, it probably will work with, what do you call it? A USB controller, if I had a USB controller lying around, which I'll try sometime later. But I just want to make this short video to show that you can have it attached to a keyboard and mouse, and it's pretty much plug and play. Over and out.